So we got a 2007 or something Suzuki DF250, and I had a little leak on one of my little trim cylinders there, and I tightened it down and replaced all the fluid and bled the system. Anyway, what we got now is this noise when the unit comes down, and only when it starts to hit these rams, these actual tilt. No, those are the trim rams. And listen to this. Going up, it doesn't make much of a sound. I mean, it sounds normal. It sounds good. But when it comes down, it doesn't actually leak. I checked the, I was checking the fluid, and it does appear to be fluid. Like when I open this up, I do see some fluid dripping out, so I don't think it's empty. I think it's okay. It just makes that noise, and it doesn't make it when it's coming down on the tilt ram, just on the trim. Anyway, if you guys know what that is, please let me know. I'm very, very curious.